Alright, so now you've gotten all your balloons blown up and it's strung and you're ready to hang it. So we are going to show you a couple of different ways to hang your garland. In your kit, you did receive 2 command hooks and rubber bands. So we're going to show you how to use those to hang your garland. But in the event that the command hooks don't work, because they work best on smooth surfaces or windows, we are going to show you how to do an H-taping method system. In order to do the H-tape, what you'll need to get is masking tape, which will protect your walls, and then gaffer's tape. So we'll show you both of these methods to make it super easy to hang up your garland. The first method we're going to show you is using the command hooks. If you are worried about your wall and pulling any paint off, we would recommend getting a little bit of masking tape, just tearing a piece off, and put that right on the wall. Then you're going to take your command hook, stick this to the masking tape. You're going to take your rubber band, just go around the hook, pull it through. So now that you have your command hook ready to go, you're going to grab your balloon garland, grab this rubber band, and you're going to find the balloon that you want to wrap it around. We're hanging it, and you're just going to put that around the balloon. And now your garland is hung. Okay, so in the event that your command hook either isn't sticking to the wall or not working very well, we're going to show you how to use an H-taping method, which is actually one of our favorite ways. You are going to need masking tape if you're worried about tape pulling the paint off. If you're not worried about that, then you don't need to use the masking tape. And then we like to use gaffer's tape. What I'm going to do first is take your masking tape and just put down a decent size square. And what you'll do is take one of the rubber bands that came in the kit, and you are going to take a piece of the gaffer's tape and you're going to put it on the wall like that. In order to make sure that the sides don't pull up, you are going to put 2 more pieces of tape down to create an H, which is why we call it H-taping. So you'll put that piece down there. Take this, add it here, and now it's good to go. So now you're going to take the balloon garland just like we did with the command hook, and you're just going to bring the garland up, find the balloon that you want to use to wrap the rubber band around. I'm going to take that, and there you go. Alright, so now that your balloon garland is hung, you are ready to party. We hope that you found this tutorial easy to hang your garland. Please reach out if you have any additional questions. We are here to help you make it easy to celebrate your life's biggest moments.